Good morning.
1,
Good morning, guys. 4, 5. Yay! Good morning, boy. Good morning, boy. Tayo ay maglalakbay na, guys. Tsaka ng panahon ngayon, 45% chance of rain and umulan na nga kanina. Look. Yun yung labas. 45%. Ayla is ready. Twinning with Indy. See? Parehas sila ng top. Yeah. Yeah. Sana hindi umulan. Alu's also ready with a beanie. Hi, not today. Zizi's ready. We are going. Oh my God, tingnan nyo yung weather sa labas. Look! Napakalamig tingnan. Guys, apakalamig. Apakalamig talaga. Mahangin pa. Hintay lang kami dito sa gilid.
Saan yung nag-antay, girl? Sa kilid?
Sa kilid lang. Tugnaw. Uy! Tugnaw kay guys! Ay, umulan. Grace, guys. Hala, umulan, guys. Wala kaming payong. Guys, naging pink na yung ating suot. Hala, hugaw lagi niya. Naging pink na yung ating suot kasi sobrang maulan. Nagmaroon na naman tayo. Ay, naku. Nakita ko ito. Ito, water resistant. So, at least na lang. Tapos, meron pang ganito.
Naka na sila.
Ano sila?
Naka na muna ng grupuhan. Naka-port power.
Let's go, guys.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down.
Andito na tayo sa Sovereign Hill. Oh my God. Ay, buti na lang wala ng ulan. We're gonna eat something first. Look here. That's so cute. Lumabas si Mr. Sun. Very good. Dito tayo sa sa Specter's Table Cafe. Didi, come here! Hello! Happy days! Uy, 1-year-old ka lang, uy.
Oh, John Alu's here.
Oh, John Alo's here.
So, you put it on the flare. That's it.
Yes.
Here, you see that? Here, the flare's there.
I got the steamed barramundi, Michelle. Oh my God, 3 strips lang ng fish. Fish and chips. Chicken tender for the kids. We have coffee. And Didi is having chips. Didi's having chips. Yummy. Yummy? Oh my God, I'm gonna eat this. I'm hungry. Uy. No, you're just gonna play with it. What do you want? Pinansa mo inom. Para saan?
No, ito ang marshmallow.
You want marshmallow? Yes.
I have chicken, are we happy?
Because I didn't really want it. It's nice.
Get some It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. Didi. Was it really good? You did it? Ah, that's good. Ikaw tayo. Ito rice got really good ng limon.
Yummy.
Good eating, Didi. Bye bye, horsey.
a solid form. Currently, as a solid gold bar, this is somewhere over 900 degrees. This is so hot that we don't burn, we just explode. This is enough to vaporize us instantly. And yet here we all are, this just sitting here, and we can't feel anything, not even slightly. Because gold radiates heat slowly. But it's excellent at conducting heat and energy through touch. That is the end result. This is 3 kilograms of pure 24 karat gold. 99.99% pure solid gold.
It's snowing! Snowing! Whoa! Woo!
Pero may sa Phuket eh. Katong hindi mo rin makag-booking. Hindi, tangal lang yung magkuhan. Right, 1, 2, 3.
Guys, magtutour na tayo. Yeah. Tour tayo. The mining tour. We're gonna go for the mining tour.
What happened?
Now we need to follow them.
We first one.
Sabi kayo, marami makasurvive.
Guys, kakalabas lang namin dun sa underground. Sa ating mining tour. Here we are. Lumabas kami sa Adelaide. Bigla na lang. May ibang lugar. Iba yung exit.
Dede! Wa na, you did not survive. Na-trap ka na, de.
Mame!
Choo-choo!
At least wala nang ulan. Mga 45 minutes din yun na tour. Labig lamig. Si Arlo talaga para nag-mining. Tingnan yung sapatos. Arlo, did you mine today, Arlo? Your shoes. Look at your shoes.
Arlo, your mom's
See?
a miner too, but online.
I'm a miner.
Mommy, you got a
I know. Did you mine today? You did some mining.
Live miner. Wait, we should go on the pony, the horse ride now. They just leave the pram for me.
I told you, Mom. What did you go there?
It's a coffin.
Izzy,
Oh.
I don't think it will work because it's not a long drive. Magic. Bye, guys. Alo. Come on, Alo. Walk properly. Walk properly, boy.
We got some food from GYG. Andito pala tayo sa accommodation.
Got some chips.
Chips, Alo. Come on.
can I have a plate?
A plate? Why do you need a plate? Ito yung akin.
No.
Mommy, it's in the bed.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in my conversations. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck, I kept on playing.
Hail. We're stuck here, guys. We're not going back.
I told you you can't go
Dito
here.
ta kay Filang Hill, no?
I told you you can't go here.
Dito pala tayo sa Kmart. So, punta sana kami ulit doon sa Sovereign Hill, guys. Kaso lang, grabe talaga yung ulan. Hindi kami lumabas sa car. Kasi, it's boring. Kawawa yung mga kids. So, napunta tuloy tayo dito sa Kmart. Kahanap ng panty. Tipants. Ni Simple Race. Tipants. Kasi may... may madugong pag... madugong pangyayari, guys.
Tampons na lang di ay na.
Gana kag tampon, tampon. Ano? Kana nice na. Muna akong gamit. Charis. Recommend ko lang Libra. Kana ultra thin.
Yeah.
Guys, Uber Eats tayo kasi pasensya na ko sa background music. May background music tayo. May nagpapakalap. Magkakabanta dali at this kwarto. Guys, hulo! Ayla, you scared me! Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo itong batang to. Why are you hiding there? Oh my gosh, you scared me. So guys, ano pala tayo? Nag-Uber Eats tayo kasi nga, sobrang lamig. Umuulan pa. Medyo tsaka talaga yung panahon ngayon. And, tulog din si Arlo at saka si Indy. So, nag-cards kami kanina. Sabi nila, order na lang tayo. So, yun nga. Meron tayong ramen kasi napakalamig ng panahon. Yeah, kain tayo sa labas. Ha? Iyawan kong Ayla na dito sa ano? Si Ayla nasa nagtago sa cabinet dito sa ka-play. Tulog. Tulog, ramen. Ramen.
May takoyaki din. Takoyaki malam. So we got bread.
Okay.
How is it, babe?
More rice and chicken?
There's rice and chicken there.
Daddy, can you want to do that 6:30 in the morning? I mean 6:20 in the morning.
Sarap ay.
Like
Day, you like first day?
There you go. Thank you. Thank you, Tita. Alright. I will put sabaw, okay? Okay, you want this one? Noodles? Sige, noodles.
Sure ka, Jay?
Sure mo. Wait. You want noodles and rice? Yummy noodles.
Mama, where's the...
Yeah, I know, right?
Is Clara still out?
Oh, no.
Pwede daghan pag sabaw.
Nana ko ba sabaw, Che? Baby, stock takoyaki here. Parang?
Pamitan ka?
Parang ano siguro ko dito.
Tagaan na lang tikaan eh.
No.
Di tilaway ni cake. All together yan. That's good. Look at the egg.
Didi is the least picky of your kids, you know?
At the moment.
At the moment.
What?
And they eat anything. Yung burger.
Can we do that and then we put lipstick on their face? Yes, we do.
Ha?
Tina Rich's lipstick.
Kabaw ka, tita. Ulo mo ang
Very nice hot chocolate.
I might.
Why is everyone here?
What is that?
Jade is brushing her teeth.
Washing machine.
Ito na,
They
pigs.
killed the pig.
Look at Indy brushing her teeth.
How?
They kill it with a knife.
Did they even wash it there?
This is us at 12:20.
High five on the butt!
12:30.
1, 2,
Kompleto. Andito lahat. Complete
6.
from A to Z.
Complete casting.
1, 2, 3.
Where you going now?
4.
Bye! Oh,
Where are you
nabugay.
going, JJ?
Bye,
Where are you
Jay.
going, JJ?
Jai.
JJ! Balik ka na. Yeah, I think
Mommy, naka-remember.
So happy.
Bong, naka-remember. Ay!
she just has to make sure her mommy's
Isa ay naka-cellphone ang iyong si Madam. Bakit ka nagsi-cellphone siya?
Michelle?
Grabe yung ulan today, guys. So, hindi tayo masyado talaga nakapag-explore doon sa Sovereign Hill. Pero, so far naman, ang ganda na napuntahan namin. So, okay na kami. Kahit hindi natin nakita yung Christmas lights or nighttime lights doon sa Sovereign Hill na sobrang ganda sana. Pero okay na. We tried, pero umuulan nga. So, wala naman tayong magagawa doon. At saka yung mga kids, kawawa kasi malamig na, umuulan pa. So, hindi talaga comfortable for them din. Mahihirapan lang sila. And then kami din, mahihirapan din kami. Anyway, that's pretty much it, guys. Tomorrow, we are gonna go home sa aming workplace. Magtatrabaho tayo ng afternoon shift. So, that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna close this vlog. Nandito pa yung dalawa.
Yeah.
Good morning, guys!
Let me get you down.
A morning! You don't sleep with me, Gapon.
to kick out siya na kasi mama.
So, ko mo siya kick out siya, gabi.
Yeah, tilang niya.
Guys, kape tayo.
Anak ko din. Kasi
Ito na sa Oh, they still have one day.
kita to irami ro mo ito.
Sorry. Okay, my God.
Gloomy, tugnaw, hangin.
Still have one day left
Tignan mo,
here.
uwan.
Kuan ko kaayo, mauwan na ganit ka.
Mafilan
Laki
niyang
na
balalat
kaayo.
siya. Tugnaw.
Lagi, kabaw ka, mao ako naganahan sa cover PD, Jud. Wala kayo tao. Ma-enjoy Jud nimo ba? Ma-feel Jud nimo ang
Michelle, you.
ang lugar kay wala kayo tao. Kato nindot kay to busy lang. Busy kayo. Di ulan sa te. Yeah. Busy kayo.
Hindi, tanan kay kinahanglan. Tayo niya. Mag-book.
Oh my God, Didi sa work. Orat man tanig mata ang kalit magabot. Wala, oy, wala pa ni cry.
Stage po.
Good sleep, Indy. Aww. Good morning, Didi. Bigla na lang sumulpot, madam.
Galakaw ba?
Bye, Tito. Excuse me.
Hug and kiss.
Ang sus kang ayaw. Uy, ni Patong man. Ni Patong man lagi ni. Magpahag man din ni ay. Uy.
You wanna go? Do you know with Tita? Say bye.
And these are not your guys.
These are not your guys.
It's not your guys. But this can be your guys too. Happy days.
Happy padala from.
Sure. Uy, natora.
Happy pabit.
Do you remember that one yesterday?
And why
What
did
you
you
get
look
from
at
Daily?
Dali, doon lang yan.
Hala. Why are you here?
Why I didn't want to come?
You wanna go with Titas?
Uchira.
Say bye to Tita.
You going to mommy?
Bye guys. Thank you. Thank you. Guys, we are going back to our workplace na nga. And that was a very short and very nice na getaway sa atin. Ay! Meron pa akong remnants ng sipon ni Indy pala. Ito ay aking pang wipe ng aking eyeglasses. Pero ginamit namin kay Indy kasi sa lamig, yung sipon talaga ni Madam ilumabas. But anyway, tayo ay uuwi. Alam, maybe gusto ni Michelle na ako mag-drive do. Nandito lang kami sa BP. Bumibili siya ng AdBlue. Ayan, sarap na. Dito pala yung Sovereign Hill. Kita nyo, yung parking andito na, very close to the road na. Sobrang busy niya. Bye! In fairness pala dito sa Ballarat, no? Ini-expect ko ba na medyo quiet siya, konti lang yung tao. Dami palang tao dito, tapos busy. On the very first night, na-shock talaga ako na, ganito pala dito, daming tao. Pero I just realized that this is very close to Melbourne. So of course, of course, madaming tao dito. Close, very close to Melbourne lang. So wala palang AdBlue doon sa BP. I'm not really sure kung ano yan, pero if you have like, if nagdi-diesel ka, parang you also have to top it up, yung AdBlue. But I'm not really sure kung ano yan siya. Hindi ako masyadong magaling sa mga cars. Ayan, ayaw makipagpalit ni Michelle sa pagdadrive. So, we are gonna be a passenger princess. Pero actually, the drive is not bad. It's 2 hours and 38 minutes lang. Let me just have a look. Ilang minutes itong lugar na to Melbourne Central. It's 1 hour and 26. 1 hour and 26 minutes lang yung drive. So, para lang siyang, kung sa Auckland pa sa New Zealand, para lang tayong nasa Hamilton. So, it's really close lang. Guys, we are home! Tapos, duty tayo. Mag-prepare tayo in a while. Bukas pala, guys, we are gonna go to Melbourne again. We are gonna go to Michelle's house. Sasamahan ko siya, guys, before our afternoon shift. Kasi magpa-final inspection kami sa kanyang bahay. So, ayun. Anyway, tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo yung kwarto ko. Andito talaga yung mga una niya and all. But it's so good. It's so good to come back na malinis na yung mga kwarto namin. Malinis na yung aking kwarto. Pero ayun, some of these stuff, ida-drop off natin sa bahay na niya. So tomorrow it is, ay nako,
grateful ako dito sa aming workplace ngayon kasi nga hindi ka masyadong masistress papuntang work kahit na galing pa kami ng biyahe. Alam talaga namin na when we get to work, it's gonna be chill. Sobrang chill. Hibernation mode kami dito sa workplace na to. But yeah, that's it! What time is it now? Oh no, hindi ko na-charge yung aking watch. It's okay. Tomorrow is gonna be another travel day. This one, basically, sinuot ko lang to for our trip pauwi. So, I'll wear this again tomorrow.